If you own a Kadjar or Keleos from 2015 to 2021, you know that the shift knob is often the first thing to show serious wear. This replacement kit promises to bring back that factory fresh feel, but can a simple trim piece really transform your daily driving experience? What we have here is a complete gear shift knob, gaiter cover, and boot frame assembly designed specifically for those Renault models. The control aspect is paramount here. The shift lever is the primary device connecting the driver to the transmission, and when the original starts to feel loose or sticky, it compromises that intuitive connection. This replacement aims to restore that precise, clean engagement. The design style is spot on. It's engineered to match the overall aesthetic of the vehicle, ensuring that once installed, it doesn't look like a cheap aftermarket add-on. It maintains that traditional straight lever type feel, which is exactly what drivers of these models expect. The fit into the console frame is seamless, which is a huge relief because nobody wants gaps or rattling in their interior trim. But it's not just about looks. The real test is the feel. The description emphasizes safety, noting an anti-slip design. In practice, the grip stability is excellent. It feels solid in the hand, ensuring that even during quick, decisive gear changes, your grip remains secure. This is a small detail, but crucial for maintaining control and confidence, especially in dynamic driving conditions. Comfort is another key factor they focused on. The position and angle of the knob are ergonomically designed. While this isn't a radical redesign, restoring the original, unworn shape significantly reduces driver fatigue during long commutes. It just feels right, sitting perfectly where your hand naturally rests. While this specific component doesn't integrate multimedia controls or electronic handbrakes like some high-end luxury shifters, its functionality lies in perfecting its core job, providing convenient and intuitive gear selection. It's a simple, effective restoration of a critical touchpoint. If your current knob is peeling, scratched, or the gaiter is torn, this assembly is a surprisingly high-quality solution that instantly elevates the interior feel. For owners looking to refresh their cabin and restore that crucial connection to the transmission, this gear shift assembly is a surprisingly effective and highly recommended upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.